My name is Alex Krupnik. I'm a senior hardware designer at Orthogon. Been working here for 5 years. I graduated from McGill University in 2005. Been working in a different company before, but now I'm here and it's really exciting. I was looking for a change because I wanted to find something where I'll be always continuously challenged. So looking for a place where there'll be fast-paced, and where there will be multiple products that I could potentially develop and look at different technologies. There are actually multiple projects that I worked on at Orthogon, and each one is an accomplishment in itself. I find it's because the projects are so different. Every time it's a huge milestone to deliver a project to a customer. We work with companies that develop the latest products, with the newest technologies. So we are definitely part of that innovation. Worked on a patient simulator for a company in Montreal. It's a very interesting project because it's like a robotic simulator of a real patient that is used in a hospital to train physicians for special medical conditions that are very hard to see in the real world. That's where I get most motivation from projects where you have to learn and understand some new physical concepts. Even we had some projects where we dealt with LiDAR, so that was new to me at the time, but we had to develop a product that uses that technology, so we have to understand fully how that system works, and that was exciting because I had to learn this technology. But that's what I find engineering is. It's about learning new things all the time. We're really good at adapting to what the customer needs and proposing the right technology to the customer, and that requires learning about everything that's available out there. Yes, it's a lot to learn, but for every project we do our best to find the best technology for that particular customer, and usually we try to use the latest and greatest technology available. So we're in constant contact with manufacturers of microprocessors and other ICs so that we know what's the latest and available technology out there. So, and that's the greatest part. You do need to learn how that new technology works, obviously, but it's great to be able to have access to that those things that not everybody has access to, actually. Currently, a lot of the engineers at Orthogon are senior engineers that have worked in the field for more than 10 years. It's very nice to be able to work with people that have so much experience. When I joined, I had maybe 7-8 years experience in engineering, and it was great to see people who have 20 years experience that you can always talk to if you have any questions, any concerns, any issues, and things that you might not understand right away. So it's very nice to be able to have that kind of experience in the company, and there's maybe 50-60% of the company who are senior engineers that have more than 10-15 years experience. That being said, there are also young engineers that we are hiring, and they're very fun to work with as well. And now that I have some more experience, it's also my responsibility, and I'm happy to mentor the engineers that just come from university, or we do have always have 2-3 engineers on stage from universities, so that's always interesting to be able to mentor those engineers and see how they're excited about the technologies that we develop here. There's so much potential for learning different things here, and if they want to be in a company that always is at the forefront of technology, that uses the latest technologies that are available, that does not just develop one particular product with a certain one technology, but really is open to all the available technologies and works with multiple different companies in the world, really that are at the leading edge of development and for in all kinds of fields also, not only in one, let's say, automotive or something, but really we're working both in automotive and medical and aviation, all kinds of fields. So you're really open to all these possibilities and all these different domains. And if you don't want to be really specialized in one little thing, and you want to see what's out there in the world, this is a really good place to work.